Today we are going to today we will continue from the last class. We talked about VS Code that last time, and we even had a quiz. Someone from this section won um, some prize, yeah, for the quiz. So today this is not quiz. This is we having our normal classes. So we talked about VS Code the last time, and today I'm going to walk you through how to have your VS Code in your system. Yeah, I'll give you step by step guide on how to have your VS Code. And remember that our VS Code is called Visual Studio Code. Don't forget that. Also, what is it used is an editor platform whereby you edit all of your technical work before. Yeah, it's a platform where you edit all your technical work, you carry out your technical activities. It also it has extensions for other platforms, and then other how will I put it, yeah, for other platform. Okay, so let's go into it. So to get your VS Code, just come to your Chrome browser, whatsoever browser you're using. Just type Visual Studio Code, like I've already used it before, so immediately I'm typing the name, it's going to pop up. So here we go. So it has opened. On our Visual Studio Code, we are going to use the first one, but you're not clicking on the open source AI code editor, because that's not, it's the VS Code, but that's not the particular one you're looking for. You're going to go to this download. Um, yeah, of course I've visited this page before. Manage active. This page appears above others, so it's easier to find. Okay, I'm not managing any activity. Okay, so let's do delete page visit, and we'll visit again. So so I'm here. Don't forget the download one. You click on it, so it's going to it's going to open up an interface for you like this. So these are different varieties of studio codes we have that you download depending on your system, depending on the system you're using. So we have the Windows. For all window users, the one you're going to choose is going to be this window. When you click on it, it will start downloading. This is for the Ubuntu users, the Linux users, yeah. And then that this for people who use terminal. Why this one is for people who use MacBook. If you have MacBook or you use an Apple laptop, this is the one you download. So when you click on download, it's going to open an interface for you. Then you keep doing next, 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 next until you finally download it to your system. And when you download it, you're going to see an icon. This icon is what you're going to see. So I'm going to open my own Visual Studio Code, so I could show you how the interface will look like when you've downloaded your own. I think I showed you the interface yesterday, but I'm still going to do that now again. So open as a new window. I think the network is kind of okay, it's opening. So this is it. Sorry, I don't know what's happening. It's kind of okay. I've opened it multiple times, so I'll have to close some. Exactly. So this is what we are looking at. This is my own Visual Studio Code. Let me make it big so everybody can see it. So can you see this is my own Visual Studio Code? Open it multiple times, so they are trying to open all. Okay. So this is my own Visual Studio Code, and this is how it looks like. So here, let me move my face a bit. I need to move this so I can show you the interface. Okay, it has moved. So this is how the interface look like. Here you have your excuse me. Here you have your Explorer where you can open all your folders that you created. You also have different extent here. You have your extension whereby you can integrate any platform you want to add into your Visual Studio Code. Sorry, I've opened a lot of Visual Studio Code, so they are all opening at the same time. So okay, so here you have your folder, you can clone your repository, all this one. As we go day by day, I'm going to be unpacking. Yes, we'll unpack the studio code itself. It is a lot, like it is a lot. Like I said, these are the places you get to see your folders, some of the extensions you've added, you get. And also another important part of Visual Studio Code is your terminal, where you have to do a lot of um, terminal work. I think I made mention of terminals on, yeah, let me check what we are currently working with. Yeah, this on our document. Yes, I made mention of terminal. So this is your terminal. As you can see, the name is even written here. So to get your terminal on Visual Studio Code, you just come to these icons, these four icons you're seeing here. Come to the third one that has like a covered shade, like it's shaded beneath. When you click on it, it's going to open your terminal. So this is your terminal. You can type whatever you want, the code you're working with, and then voila, you get your response. So this is where we'll stop for today. I hope you're going to try having your own Visual Studio Code, so that when we start work properly, we would not have to leave anyone behind. Okay, so thank you so much, guys, and then see you next time. Bye.